Hey everyone, it's Charles with Bona Tech and Training. Today we'll be talking about the power drive accessories, specifically the Bona Weight Kit. Here you have two 15-pound weights, two posts, and two locking caps. This is what you'll get in the power drive weight kit. Those posts are going to lock right into these two holes on your power drive. There might be a black cap, just pop those off. The main cut on your power drive is going to be this back quarter. When you put those two 15-pound weights on, it's going to make it more aggressive and even the cutout across the whole face of the power drive. A lot of you may be wondering, when should I use two? When should I use one? Should I only use one? Should I only use two? It really is job and species dependent. I would say work gradual, maybe even start with none, then go to one, and if you need to, do go to two. For more information about the Bona Weight Kit, any questions, please reach out to Bona Tech.